you wondering how to convert your Canva files to PSD templates or Photoshop templates, or in reverse, Photoshop to Canva? This is a highly requested tutorial on this channel as of last year when I filmed the Canva to Photoshop tutorial. It is one of the most popular videos here on this channel and on my website, heatherferris.com. And today I am bringing you an updated version. So Canva now has the ability to import PDF files and edit all of them with layers, which means you can convert your Photoshop templates to a PDF with all of the layers and then import it into Canva. So if you're hiring a graphic designer or you have someone on your team that only will work in Photoshop, now you can convert their templates to Canva templates and work in that design much easier. So without further ado, let's dive right on in. How to take that's it. It's so stupid simple. I'm so excited to be able to bring you the reverse of this tutorial, as it was one of the most sought after requests. I would get emails and comments and DMs on Instagram asking me for the reverse Photoshop to Canva. So I'm so happy I can bring that to you today. If you're interested in learning more about Pinterest marketing or making Pinterest pins, or anything Canva, I guess, for that matter, head on over here and watch some of those videos, and I will see you next time.